Setting up a webhook for the Bill.com API allows you to receive real-time notifications when specific events occur, streamlining your workflow and automating tasks. To get started, you need to understand the basics of webhooks and the Bill.com API. First, navigate to the Bill.com developer portal and create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, go to the API section and register a new application. This will provide you with a client ID and client secret, which you will use to authenticate your API requests. Next, choose the events you want to subscribe to, such as invoice created or payment made. The Bill.com API supports a wide range of events, so you can tailor your webhook to meet your specific needs. To set up the webhook, you need to provide a callback URL where the Bill.com API will send the event notifications. This URL should point to a server-side endpoint that can handle HTTP post requests. When an event occurs, the Bill.com API will send a JSON payload to your callback URL, containing details about the event. To verify the authenticity of the webhook notification, you can use the XBill event signature header, which contains a signature generated using your client secret. By verifying this signature, you can ensure that the notification came from the Bill.com API and not from a malicious source. When handling webhook notifications, it's essential to keep your endpoint idempotent, meaning that it can handle multiple notifications for the same event without causing issues. You should also implement retries and error handling to ensure that your endpoint can handle temporary failures or network issues. Best practices for setting up a webhook for the Bill.com API include using a secure connection, such as HTTPS, and keeping your client secret confidential. You should also test your webhook thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected and handle any errors that may occur. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully set up a webhook for the Bill.com API and start receiving real-time notifications for the events that matter to your business. This will enable you to automate tasks, improve your workflow, and make more informed decisions.